Now we're going to look at polishing, which is step 5 of the I Holland Pharmacare 7-step process. So the loading of the MF polisher is the same procedure whichever type of polisher you have. This is a acetal holder, and we're going to put this into the spigot now. So this just goes up, pull that out, and that's locked in. So the holders are specifically designed to avoid contact between the tools whilst they're in the holder. I'm just going to take you through the features of the MF80. We're going to have a look around this touch screen panel here. We have a speed function here, which you can alter as required. I Holland actually recommend 45 RPM for the speed of the machine. We have a time here, which is shown here at 20 minutes, which is what we recommend, polishing time. We have a start and a stop button. We have an automatic or manual function here, which means you can either raise or lower the motor automatically or manually. And if you do that manually, we also have an up and down, so you have control over the lifting and the lowering of the carriers. We have a media and dosage counter here, which will count up how many hours, polishing hours, the machine has been running. What you need to do is you need to change your polishing media every 100 polishing hours, and you need to redose with paste every 10 polishing hours. Once the counter has reached either 100 or 10, then you'll get a warning message on here which asks you to reset the media or reset the dosage. And that means that you have to empty the old media out and refill with new media, or you need to add a quantity of paste. What we're going to do now is we're going to run this machine, and we're going to run this for the 20 minutes at 45 RPM. Carriers in the automatic mode will lower down at a low speed, and then when they're fully merged in the media, it will speed up to the 45 RPM. The polishing machine is actually programmed to go anti-clockwise for 15 minutes and to go clockwise for 5 minutes for optimum polishing. And then just wait until that goes all the way to the top. The safety features of the MF polishing machines mean that the door cannot be opened whilst the machine is running. So when the cycle's finished, you need to wait 2 seconds before you're able to open the door. So once the punches are ready to remove, you can take your nicely polished punch out of the machine, give it a quick wipe, and there you have a punch with a mirror finish. So in order to empty the media from the drum, you undo these 2 locking screws here. Make sure that the safety chain is attached. Pull the drum out, and making sure you have something to catch the media. If you release the catch, the media will fall out into your container. When it comes to filling the drum with media, you want to make sure that the media is filled up to the level line at the back. I Holland offer a range of different medias. We can offer walnut media, a maize media, or a synthetic plastic media. A fixture for polishing dies is also available for our range of MF polishers. After every 10 polishing hours, we need to refresh the media with paste, and we do this by fitting a mixing paddle to the spigot in the polishing machine. For this model, we need to add 500 millilitres of paste.